Good morning, first graders. All right, tomorrow we are going to read the story called Two Greedy Bears. So maybe think in your head, what are these bears greedy about? And also, what does greedy mean? Think about that too if you're not quite sure. All right, our theme concept is we can do it. Our strategy is to predict and infer, so we'll go over that in a second. And our skill is making predictions, so saying what we think is going to happen. All right, what does it mean to predict and infer? Why don't you read it with me? What did you read? What do you know? Put it together. What does it show? So that's what it means to predict and infer. What did you read about? What do you know already? And now kind of put it together, and what is that showing you? All right, yesterday we stretched our words. Today we are going to hear the sound, and you're going to put the word together. Here we go. Ate. Job. Oi. Ache. Awesome. Ike. And last one. A. All right, let's take a look at our suffixes. Suffix. F-U-L. Sound. Yep, you should be saying full. Meaning. Full of. Suffix. L-Y. Sound. Ly. Meaning. In a way that is. Suffix. Y. Sound. E. Meaning. Full of. Suffix. Es. Sound. As. Meaning. More than one or somebody else. All right, here we go. Let's do a quick little word review with our affixes. So we've got the suffix full. So somebody could be hopeful, which means they are full of hope. You could have the suffix ly. Somebody could do something surely. That means in a way that is sure, like you're really confident, you're sure about it. You could add the suffix y, which makes the e sound, into greedy. So we're going to see in tomorrow's story that we have two bears that are doing something. So e means it's full of, right? So they're going to be full of greed. That means they really, really want something. Maybe they don't share and they just have their mind set on what they want and they probably don't care about anything else. And our last one's the es with that es sound. So we have our base word dress, dresses. So we could be talking about more than one dress, or we could be talking about somebody else with the word dresses. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our words today. Go ahead and take those fingers and gently, gently, not too hard, tappity tap, tap, tap on your head, and spell out the word head as you're tapping. Spell head. Good job. My turn, sure, your turn. All right. In a big, giant voice, spell sure. All right, my turn, laugh, your turn. All right, get those clappers ready. This time you're going to clap out and spell the word laugh. Here we go. Spell laugh. Nice job. My turn. Break. Your turn. All right, let's do that again. Let's say you pretend you want to break a piece of like bread in half or a cookie in half because you're going to share with somebody. So get that bread or that cookie in your hand and get ready to rip it apart or break it apart with every single letter. All right, break apart your bread or your cookie on 3. Let's go ahead and spell break. My turn. Water. Your turn. All right. I like to have some water when I drink because it's healthy for me. So get some water in a glass. Go ahead, pretend. Pour it in there. Fill it up. Okay. Now get your pretend cup and you're going to pretend to take a drink of water with each letter. So drink those letters down. Here we go. Spell water. Good job. My turn. 1. Your turn. All right, we know this is not like I won the race. It's like we are number 1. All right, go ahead and on your knees, I want you to tap out on your knees and spell the word 1. Spell 1. Nice job. My turn. Some. Your turn. In a robot voice, spell some. My turn. Stomachs. Your turn. All right, this is a big word. Let's stand up for this word. You can stomp out or jump out this word. Get some energy out. All right, are you standing? Ready to go here? All right, if you need to pause, go ahead, you can pause it. All right, we're going to stomp or jump out the word stomachs. Spell stomachs. Nice job. My turn. Into. Your turn. All right, pretend you are diving into a pool. With each letter, pretend you're like jumping off the diving board, head first, diving in. Spell into. Nice job. My turn. They. Your turn. All right, good job. Let's go ahead and this time let's snap those fingers out. Spell they. Good job. 2 more words. My turn. Both. Your turn. In a big, giant voice, spell both. My turn. Was. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even need a turn. What's that word? Yep, you got it. Was. All right, see if you can look at it. Close your eyes now. See if you can spell it. Spell was. Good job. All right, let's review those sounds. We have a couple new sounds this week. The first one is this one. Sound would be or. The OR makes the or sound. Sound. Or. Sound. 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 Make sure you're doing O or ow. It makes 2 sounds. New one this week. Sound is One more time. Sound. Good job. Sound. Yep, you should have said or. Sound. Good job. Sound. Sound. You're not sure this one was R. Sound. Sound. All right, we are on day 2. Here we go. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. You're doing great. Keep it up, guys. Sound. Sound. Now this could say ow or o, right? We could try both. Blend. So it could be row, it could be row. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Is it r-owned or r-ound? Yep, it's round. All right, here we go. Last word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. All right, we should have mourn. All right, that's our first syllable. Second syllable, sound. Yep, ing. Let's put it together. Morning. Word, morning. Great job. Let's clap it out. How many syllables? Morning. All right, you should be showing me 2 on your fingers. And yep, they're right between the N and the I. Awesome possum. Way to go. Super proud of you.